If you have a Honda key and it looks like this, and you want to change the battery, you just slide this little lever right here on the back to the other side, take out the physical key, and right in here, there's a little space in the very center. You take the physical key, you push it into that space, kind of push it in there, and then twist the key one side and then the other, so that way it separates both sides. You want to have a good hold on to the key, so that way this fob part, so it doesn't fly apart on you. You can see I got the top part separated, but the bottom is not. You basically just kind of pull it, and there's the battery. And it's kind of just snapped in place. There's a little spring right here, and you can take the battery out, put a new one in, and then to put this back on, you'll need to kind of reverse the procedure, but here squeeze on the edges to snap it back in place. Once you know it's secure all the way around, then you can take the physical key and put it back in place, and you're all done.